Morning everybody, welcome to the channel. It's me, it's Saturday the 7th, is it 7th of August? 2nd of August. I'm at Staverton Airport, Gloucestershire, and I'm going flying.
Oh my god.
There's the guy who's going to be looking after me. We're just going to meet the plane.
I've only got 4 weeks experience. So.
Oh, he's only got 4 weeks experience. We're just going to check the elastic band on the aeroplane, make sure it works. That's a better plane than what we're flying. Yeah.
That's 1.5 million. That is. Yeah.
Right, and here's the plane we're going to be flying. CliftonAviation.co.uk. Jackie bought me this for Christmas because I do like flying. How exciting is this? And it's got 3 wheels, more than 2. I did come in June, 6th of June or something, but the weather was rubbish and it got cancelled, so I rescheduled for today, and the weather is absolutely stunning. Get a load of that. It's going to be absolutely superb. There's 2 of us. The other guy's going to fly first, half an hour, come back in, land, swap over, and then it's my turn. Happy days. Right, I've got to go do some learning. Right, we've just got to move the aeroplane. Where would you like me to sit, stand?
We're just going to move this first. We'll take that, put that here, so we can steer the aircraft.
Okay.
Right, let's just, not on the prop. Oh, okay, then put the parking brake on.
Handbrake's on. So if I wanted to buy this, as it is now, how much would this cost? 50,000 pounds?
Yeah.
If it was red, I'd have the one.
The running cost of it.
So what running costs are involved with the
maintenance? Is every 50 hours you've got to get them maintained. Every 100 hours, and they're taking more severe maintenance.
Oh, the older the plane, the deeper it goes.
Yeah, and then annual, they take a whole thing apart, you know. And if, you know, last year the company has spent 30,000 pounds on just repair.
And how many aircraft do you have?
4.
Right, I'm strapped in. The instructor's just gone off to get the other chap. Well, see how the other chap's getting on, because he's doing his training video, which I did when I came in June when he got cancelled, just to save time. So I'm now strapped in, waiting for the other guy. Very excited. Very cool dashboard. Got my headset. Even the headsets are cool. Look at those. They're proper headphones, they are. That's where we'll be sitting. about to change over. I'm going to have a play now.
Alright, we're just in the process of changing over. There's Jacqueline over there.
Andrew, you go in, take a seat on the... Grab hold of this with your strong hand. Let's just go forward a little bit. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, that's it. Yeah. Okay, this is okay now. So
Okay.
put your seatbelt on. Request taxi.
Engine runway 27.
Let's
We're gonna
take that
squeeze
away
out now.
from the sunlight.
Door open or closed?
And open, please. Yeah. Just make sure you do the step where it says no step.
Right, our flying instructor's just shown us this plane.
BMW 3 Series.
Wow, look at that! Wow.
So different.
There's no comparable.
No.
There's no comparable. And this is screen, that one is for all these things I told you about, you know, traffic collision avoidance. That would actually show you all the other aircraft where they are. The weather is also displayed on that. And then we've got two of everything. So we've got the digital one, we've got the analog one as well as a backup. So it's pretty much two of everything. We've got one engine, but then it's got a parachute.
Okay.
Yeah, the parachute lever is there. So if something does go wrong with the aircraft, in mid-air, you know, fuselage failure, pilot incapacitation, etc., the passenger can put two hands on there, just pull the parachute, and then close these two, and the whole aircraft is just going to come down under the parachute canopy.
Wow.
Yeah. It's more ergonomic, and you were talking about resting your hand. This is how you do. You rest your hand in line with that, and you put your hands on there, and you just move that. It's a hell of a lot more natural.
Yeah, that
and
would be so
easier to
much
fly
easier.
than, you know, the actual aircraft.
Right, so that was a talk around the Cirrus.
This is £309 an hour, by the way, so that's what we charge for this aircraft. It's still the cheapest in the whole of UK. The
Okay.
cheapest in the whole of UK, if not Europe.
So what's this then, the Cirrus
This one is Cirrus SR20 G2.
SR20 G2?
Yeah.
Very cool. So yeah, we just had a walk round
But
with
there
our
is no
instructor
screw,
just to show the
remember,
difference between the
this
two
is
planes.
clean, and as a result of that,
That's it from the front. So this is the dogs.
now, if I knew what Andrew is doing with all this, then I would have made this aircraft.
Right then, folks, there you go. Just been flying. Me and, is it Paul?
Peter.
Peter. Peter. So we've had fun. Beautiful day. And that's it. Right. You know the drill. Like, subscribe, drop a comment to the next random content, which is going to be Bike Park Wales on the 16th of August. In a bit, peeps.